Hello everyone, I'm going to explain you using DOM API in Angular 17 and also will explain when to use DOM API in Angular 17. Angular handle most DOM creation, update and removal for you. However, you might rarely need to directly interact with a component DOM. Component can inject element ref to get a reference to the component host element. See, here is a component class. The class name is a profile photo. Here is written a constructor, the element ref, the where log, the console.log ref element ref dot native element. These are basically the profile photo component class with constructor using ref element. The native element property reference the host element instance. You can use Angular after render and after next render function to register a render callback that run when Angular has finished rendering the page. Here is the component class for profile photo with constructor and after render functions. Basically, in the after render functions, we have set a focus the first input element in the component page. So we written here in the constructor class, after render and after next render must be called in an inject context, typically a component constructor. Avoid direct DOM manipulation whenever possible. Render callback never run during the server-side rendering or build time pre-rendering. Never directly manipulation the DOM inside of other Angular lifecycle hook. Using a component render. Component can inject an instance of render2 to perform creation DOM manipulation that are tied to other Angular feature. Let talk about when to use DOM API in Angular 17. While Angular handle most rendering concern, some behavior may still require using DOM API. Some common use case include managing element focus, measuring element geometry such as getBoundingClientRect, reading an element text content, setting up native observers such as MutationObserver, ResizeObserver, and many more others are also here. Avoid inserting, removing, and modifying DOM element. In this particular, never directly set an element inner HTML property. That is basically the points when to use the DOM API in Angular 17. I hope you got about how to use and when to use DOM API in Angular 17. If you want more detail about this, then I will share the link in the comment box in the below video. So please click the detail to see the detail about this. Otherwise, if you want to more about it, so please comment on the video. I will share the possible document to you. Thank you.